In Angular, an application is comprised of a set of components and services that provide functionality across those components. Services such as accessing data from a backend server, performing text calculations, or standard logging or exception handling. So the next question is, what is an Angular component? Each component has a template, which is the HTML defining a view for the application. Everything we want to display to the user is defined in a template. Think of a template as your application's user interface, or UI. Add to that a class for the code associated with the view. The class contains the properties, or data elements, available for binding to the view, and methods which perform actions for the view, such as responding to a button click. Think of a component class as the code behind your user interface. The property variables hold the data to display in your UI. The methods define any logic or operations. A component also has metadata, which provides additional information about the component to Angular. As its name implies, metadata is simply extra data about a component. So a component has a UI defined with a template, associated code defined with a class, and additional information defined with metadata. If these terms remain a little abstract at this point, just hang on. In the coming modules, we'll revisit the terms, build a template with HTML, write code for a class with TypeScript, and specify the component metadata. For now, let's look at some tips for getting the most from this course.